Hello friends, today I am going to show you how to fix brother DCP L2541DW printer replace toner error you see on screen. Please like this video and subscribe my channel, hit bell icon for latest videos. You see on screen replace toner error shown. Okay, first open printer front cover and then press OK button and hold 5 seconds. Release this button and then you see on screen replace drum, yes or no. You need to press start button and then press OK button. You see on screen accepted. Replace toner is clear. Close front cover and take a printout from PC. Please wait, printer is warming. You see on screen receiving data from PC. Okay, please like this video and subscribe my channel, hit bell icon. See you on next video.